Tired of endless email chains just to schedule a single meeting? Let's fix that by setting up Calendly and syncing it with Google Calendar. First, head over to Calendly.com and click the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your Google account for easy integration, or use any email address. Fill in your details, your name, and create a strong password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions before hitting the Sign Up button. Once you're in, Calendly will likely prompt you to connect your Google Calendar. Click the Connect Google Calendar button to begin syncing. Choose the Google account you want to sync with Calendly. This is crucial to avoid double booking and to keep your availability accurate. Grant Calendly the necessary permissions to view and manage events in your Google Calendar. This allows Calendly to check your existing appointments and prevent scheduling conflicts. Now, let's customize your availability. Go to the Availability tab and set your working hours for each day of the week. This is when Calendly will allow people to book appointments with you. Next, explore event types. Calendly provides default options like 30-minute meetings. Click into an event type or create a new one to tailor details like the meeting duration, location, physical, phone, or video conference, and even send personalized notifications. Once you've configured your event types, you'll get a shareable link. You can embed this link on your website, in your email signature, or send it directly to clients. Explore Calendly's integrations to connect with tools like Zoom or Slack for even smoother workflows. And that's it. You've successfully set up Calendly and synced it with Google Calendar, automating your scheduling process and saving you valuable time. Enjoy.